Okay, we're going to solve this equation. Although this right here, it's pretty long, but it's okay, because as long as you follow the fundamental, you can get it right. First of all, we see that whenever we have a parentheses, be sure that distribute the number in front, right? So the first step is I will just take this and multiply in. And for the 14, you just leave it as how it is for now. Do not do 14 minus 3, because you have to actually work this out first, okay? Pay attention to the order. Anyway, negative 3 times 2x, we get negative 6x. And right here, we will have to take negative 3 times positive 4. Be sure you know that negative times positive give us negative, and 3 times 4 is 12. So be careful with the sign right here. And we continue. This right here, we bring it down, plus 22x. And then this is equal to the 8x. And here we have this part again. Take the positive 5, multiply in. And we see that 5 times negative 2x, that will give us minus 10x. And 5 times 4 gives us positive 20. And then right here, we have minus 9. Next, be sure we combine like terms on both sides. So just don't worry about this yet. Let's focus on the left-hand side and combine like terms. And combine the x terms first, just for consistency purpose. We see that we have negative 6x plus 22x. We can combine them together. Negative 6x plus 22x give us 16x, right? Positive 16x. And we have this 14 minus 2. Minus 12. 14 minus 12, it gives us plus 2, like that. So we have 16x plus 2. Now on the right-hand side, do the same thing. We have this, right? 8x minus 10x. Together, they will give us negative 2x. And then in the end here, we have plus 20 minus 9. Together, that gives us positive 11. Now, we will move all the x from the right to the left, right? So with that being said, this is the negative 2x. Let's go ahead and add 2x on both sides, so that this and that will be cancelled. And we can also do another step right here as well, because I can also minus 2 on both sides, so that I can bring the number to the other side. And be sure you minus 2 right here. Now we see 16 plus 2x, that's 18x. And this is equal to 11 minus 2, that's 9. In the end, this is 18 times x. Be sure to divide it by 18 on both sides, so that these two 18s will be out. And now we have the x by itself. Finally, 9 over 18. Reduce the fraction, you get 1/2. This is a fraction 1/2. And finally, this right here is the answer. And just as a reminder, when we have 9 over 18, we can divide the top by 9. Divide the bottom by 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 18 divided by 9 is 2. And that's 1 on the top over 2 on the bottom. Thus you have 1/2. Anyway, that's it.